Good morning once again. Here's the latest 11 o'clock report from the National Hurricane Center. Here you can see from the satellite the eye of the storm just to the southeast of Jacksonville, off the coast by about 90 miles, and it's continuing that northwesterly track at 9 miles an hour. It still has 105-mile-per-hour winds in the hurricane part of it, but also the tropical storm force winds are already reaching all the way up into the South Carolina and Georgia coastline area, and rain bands starting to sweep the coast of Georgia from time to time. We've seen some thunderstorms just off the Charleston area this morning. So this storm continuing to make that northwesterly progression at, again, 9 miles an hour. Here you can see some of the wind speeds picking up down along the coast. We've seen some 20-plus mile-per-hour gusts in the Charleston area, and we're expecting that storm by early tomorrow afternoon to start coming very close to the Charleston area, passing by Savannah, getting closer to Charleston and Myrtle Beach. And by Thursday afternoon, we're looking at that storm just off the Charleston area at about the time of high tide, too. So a possible storm surge on top of that high tide, and tropical storm force winds, and possibly even some hurricane force winds impacting the coast near Charleston and Myrtle Beach and Wilmington. Still on a path to take it out to sea by Saturday, but it looks like Thursday night is going to be very stormy along the South Carolina and then southern North Carolina coast. And then by Friday night, Saturday, it's out of here. So we'll continue to keep you up to date on this storm throughout the next, of course, today through tomorrow especially. And again, it looks like tomorrow afternoon is the time that we really have to be watching that storm along the South Carolina coast. Stay with us. We'll have a full report coming up at noon today and bring you all the latest then.